We are diving straight into how to save a project in Canva and download it directly to your computer. Here we are inside Canva with a project already loaded up. Now, every time you make changes to your workspace, Canva automatically saves your progress in real time. You can verify this by looking at the top left-hand corner, clicking on the File menu, and checking for the status that says All Changes Saved. If you ever want to force a manual update just to be safe, simply click File and then select Save. There is also a built-in version history feature that lets you review or restore older drafts of your design. You can access this by clicking File, scrolling down, and selecting Version History. Clicking a previous timestamp will automatically restore your design to exactly how it looked at that point in time. The issue here is that restoring a previous version will overwrite any unsaved adjustments you made on your current canvas, so make sure you truly want to revert before hitting that button. Once you selected the older version you want, just go up to the top right hand corner and click the purple Restore this version button. When you are ready to export and save the file onto your computer's local drive, head over to the top right-hand corner and click on the Share button. Scroll down through this menu until you see the Download button and click on that. From here, you will see a drop-down menu that lets you choose your preferred file format, such as PNG, a JPEG, or PDF. You will also see additional toggles for features like adding a transparent background or compressing the file to save space. The catch with these specific file adjustments is that they are locked behind a Canva Pro subscription, meaning free accounts will have to export using standard quality settings. Once you have selected your format and configured your settings, click the purple download button at the bottom. Your browser will immediately process the file and save it into your computer's Downloads folder, where you can click to open and preview your finished work. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.